Company. If you don't know, they added the new Biolab update into Animal Company. And so, basically, you can, it said in the patch, well, not patch notes, but update notes in the Discord, I saw that, there's like, you can make your own monsters in like, you can, yeah. So we're going to be trying to do that in Animal Company. I was watching a live stream of the Biolab update, so yeah, we're going to be trying to, like, you know, just, yeah. So basically, we're gonna gather a team, and then we're gonna make some monsters. Basically, see that machine down there? That's what we're gonna use to make monsters, basically, guys. So yeah. Come to couch if you want to make monsters. Come to couch if you want to make monsters. You want to make some monsters? You want to make monsters? Okay, come on, let's go.
How did I get kicked up? I'm rejoining right now.
You're an otter.
Yeah, let's join a private. Let's join a private. Yeah, let's join a private. I got watermelon.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's join a private.
I'm a gorilla.
Okay, the code is, okay, come here. The code is,
Are y'all going to Biolab? Are y'all going to
AZ123.
Are y'all going to Biolab? Are y'all going to Biolab?
Yeah, no, we're gonna make monsters. How do
you do it?
Okay. So we're going to be making monsters.
What's up,
Okay,
dude?
where are you? We're making monsters?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So here's
Is there
what
any
we're gonna
specific
need.
items I like need or what I should have to do it?
Not really. Just it's. I would
wait,
take 2
should I
crowbars.
take what I'll take? What you're taking?
Yeah, just take what I'm taking.
Okay.
We're gonna need a backpack to hold the vials. We're gonna need a backpack to hold the vials and.
One.
Yeah.
I'm bringing one
Okay.
crowbar.
Okay, let's go.
Because I don't feel like I need two. But I get it, like just in case you need an extra. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go over here. By the way,
Yeah,
I'm
well, I
recording
need
a
to put
video,
one-
so. By the way, I'm recording a video.
Hold on.
Yeah, let's go.
I had to wait because I had to put my thing in my bag.
Don't touch this waist. Don't touch the waist.
Yeah,
I mean, this-
damages you.
This next waist that's coming up, the next waist that.
I know. I've been here. I've been in here before.
Oh crap! I'm stuck.
we
I'm
should have
stuck.
brought a. Let's go get a flashlight real quick.
Nah, it's fine. Just come up here. Ow.
I just grappled to the ceiling.
Yeah. Teenage Mutant Ninja Go Chameleon. Teenage Mutant Ninja Go Chameleon. Go Chameleon power. No.
Yeah, well, I've been here before. I've been here before. So
I have, but my headset has been, it died. It was low when I first checked. Yeah, come on. This way. Banana.
No, it's the front one. It's the front one.
Nah, I want to keep looking for clues. There might be clues.
Oh, what are clues?
Okay, this way.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about, but okay.
There's clues. There's a code.
This is my second time playing the update.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Oh yeah, and there should be a chicken right here. Yeah.
Yeah, look. Here's the reason I wanted to. Just ran away. Okay, this way. Come on. Let's go. Oh.
Ow. Got a trap on me.
8.
Oh, where did you go? Oh.
Come on, this way. 8, 4. Okay, don't go that way. We gotta go. So it's
No,
8.
he's glitched. He can't hurt me. That one does.
Go around. Come on, this way. 8, 4. Oh, this way. Let's go this way. Where'd you go?
Here.
Okay, this way. Come on. Come on. Oh, that one's not glitched. Oh, you died?
Yeah.
Hey, let me revive you.
Yo, is that one of the...
Go, crap, go up.
Why are they all coming after me?
I died. Where'd he go? Bro,
You. Come down
okay,
here.
revive me now. Revive me now.
No. You're... Ugh.
No more monsters.
Had to wait for him to go because he would want...
Okay,
Yo,
let's
he
go,
left
we
a whole
gotta
bunch of larvae.
Oh.
I'm not taking it.
Yeah,
I'll take a larva
I'm gonna
with
take
me.
all this larva, bro. He dropped a whole bunch of larva.
Yeah,
I'm gonna eat all
the
this.
two. Why? What happened if you eat it?
Oh, your head grows. Your head grows. See? My head grew.
Did I take damage from it?
I died. I died by touching the door. I guess the
Oh,
door's
yeah.
deadly.
It can crush you.
I just touched it though. Like
Yeah,
I just
no.
touched.
No, move. Oh my god, I stepped on that bird shard. That could have been the enemy.
Huh. Okay, oh no. Okay. Come on, come to me. Come to me. Go, move. No, this way.
Oh.
Okay, so it's 8, 4,
What are these?
5.
What are these?
8, 4, 5. 3, 8, 4, 5, I guess. Come on, this way.
What are these?
8, 4, 3, 8, 4, 5. Let's go. This way. Where'd you go? This way. 3, 8, 4, 5. That's good.
Ooh! I'm gonna step in that.
Whoa.
3, 8, 4, 5.
Yeah, let
3,
me put
8,
it
4,
in.
5. Okay, you went down there. Come on, type it. 3, 8, 4, 5.
3.
8,
Wait, no.
8.
Yeah, it's 8.
4.
5, 4. Yeah, it
5.
was. I got it.
What
It was
they
3,
added?
4. It was 3, 4, 5, 8 or something. Hold on this way.
Ooh.
Hold on this way. We gotta go make these monsters. Come on. We gotta go. This way? Come on.
Company.
Okay, it's off. So,
No, that's always been off, I think.
yeah.
Oh, I had to turn off my Wi-Fi to get in there. That was glitched. When I opened.
Yeah, because we didn't open the door. So I glitched in there by the, snap turn thing or the smooth turn thing. But yeah. Come on, this way. We gotta go. It's, Oh, it's over here. It's down here. It's right here.
Where? Wait, I don't
Over
see
here,
it.
over here. The respawn's active. So if we die, yeah, come on. This way, bro.
Wait, so
This
do I
way.
have to tap one of it?
Yeah, tap it. It should say respawn active. Does it say respawn active? Ow.
Yeah, respawn activated. Click
Okay,
it.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, so
This way.
now it doesn't. Now it doesn't. Look at it again. So now it does.
Come on, is this the way? No, it's not. Wait, I'm pretty sure this is the way. If we open this up, this is the way. Yep, it's the way. It's the way. Come on. Wait, this is the way, but we don't have any vials. Come on, this way.
Smash the glass. Oh no, he's in
did
here. Ah.
Okay.
Ow.
Organic
Wait, no.
decomposer. We don't have any organic stuff.
Yeah, we don't.
So this is what we use to make the thingies, or the animals. So this way, I'm pretty sure. Come on, this way. Or the monsters, to make the monsters. So I think it might be this way.
Around here.
Where's the way to make the monsters? Or the
This
vials?
way.
Oh, yep, the vials are over here. Don't smash the glass. Okay, look, the vials are over here, I'm pretty sure. Yep.
How do I get a vial?
You just grab it. I'm pretty
I
sure.
can't. How?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Okay, we gotta do something here. Symbol match.
Yes. Yes.
Get, open that.
Yes. Yes.
Yo, how do I do this?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, we got a vial. I got a vial.
Yes. Yes. No.
Look, 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 I got it.
Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 No. 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 Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes.
Here, stop, stop, stop,
No.
stop. Stop.
No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. 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 No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. Yes.
Dude!
No.
Okay, nah. What? Okay, let's go over here. Just go over here. Here. Okay, no. That one doesn't work.
Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes.
Oh, another vial, another vial.
I should get a vial.
Okay, give me that vial, give me that, yeah. Let's go, this way, come on.
Wait.
We gotta go, come on. We got all the organic stuff or whatever.
Yeah.
I'm just taking one of these. Come on, let's go. We gotta go. Yeah.
Oh my
How
god.
did you get out?
It jumped
Got
out.
out.
It's like,
Come on. Here, guys, bro, come on. We gotta go, quick. Forget that it's running rampant. Just let it be. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Go in. Hold on, wait. Okay. Pull. Yo, we got a bomb.
how much did you get? Yo, move it. Move it,
This one,
please.
hold up. Let me, it's like, okay, yeah. Okay, here, make, oh,
Yo!
I want this ogre. Let me have the ogre. I want the ogre. Here, I got the
Okay.
ogre.
Yo! I got a bomb. Hello there, Mr. Yoga.
Well,
Yo, how much did you bring?
a lot.
Let's get Let's
Oh,
get a
I got a mimic.
Wait, let me see. Oh, bro, it's like you have a little gorilla. This guy can pick him up.
Here.
They're toys. Yeah, I love this.
Yeah, it's a toy.
Yeah, bro, this is so sick.
Here, I'm gonna shred the ogre.
Why?
Cause if you shred the ogre, it should give you another vial. Where'd it go? It fell, I think.
How did it fall?
I don't know. I shredded the ogre, so. Let's go get more vials. Wait, do you have a vial?
I think that was my only one. No.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have any more. Let's go get more.
Yeah. Try and get all of them.
I thought shredding would.
Let's farm a ball. Let's farm a whole bunch of vials.
Okay, we got it. Killed it.
My friend are doing that. Ew, dude.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah?
Come on.
Wow, what's your way?
Here, I'm gonna do this one. Oh, you did
Okay.
it?
Yeah, I did do it.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
get on yourself.
I got a vial.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm doing this
Yes.
one.
Yes. Yes.
There's different mini games.
Yes.
Move.
Yes. No.
Move.
No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. 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 No.
Yeah, do this one right here.
Yes. No. No. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Dude, you got those ones? Oh.
No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I did it.
Yes. 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 No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
We did it.
Yo, I got one.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. That's enough.
Dude, I only got one. Yo, I'll be there 1 second.
Gonna go this way. Let's see what I get. Ooh, another ogre. I'll take you.
I'm coming back
Need
with a whole
something
bunch.
good. Ooh, chicken. I got a chicken. So many toys. So many toys. Bomb! Bomb!
I got three. I got three.
Really? Nice, nice.
Yeah.
You can get puppets.
I'll be here.
Okay. Just use your thingy. Yeah, the vials. Yeah, behind this door, there's some vials. I know it. Trust, guys. Just trust. Oh, what the heck? No? I thought there was. Oh, yeah, crap. We gotta go this way. Okay. I mean, we gotta go this way.
Yeah.
Oh, my favorite.
Yes.
So many toys.
Yes. No. Yes.
Nah, I ain't getting none that.
Get it? Let's try.
Yeah.
It's gonna try to explode. 3.
No.
Oh crap! I mean
Yes.
this.
Yes.
This.
Yes.
This. I mean wait. Crap.
Yes.
That.
Yes. 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 Yes.
That was a yes and no. That was a no. That was a meows.
Yes.
You know, no. I wanna do. What series? I wanna do the simple match series.
Yes. No.
I did it. Okay, I'm gonna go get some plushies. We got some squishmallows, bro. We got some squishmallows in our backpack, bro. 4-3, bro. Squishmallows, bro. 3. Yep, that's how many. Oh, I got 4 actually. Get up. I want to get the puppet. Ooh, Armstrong. We got the Armstrong. What is that? Oh, it's a gorilla. I'm gonna set that because I don't want that. Oh, another ogre. I'll shred that. Shred. Crap, I need to shred. You're supposed to get vials. Oh crap. Gotta reach my hand in there. Really don't want to do this. Okay. Oh, that hurted. Yo.
Hey, do you know how to do? Do you know how to do?
No, I don't. Hey, no. Hey, how many vials did you get?
Only 2.
Here, let's see. Put both in. Here, put this in. No, put that in. They can stack. There's 3. Okay, here. I'll do another. Okay, grenade. If you want to, you can shred that.
What?
No, it's a gorilla.
Wait, can I have that gorilla, please?
Yeah.
I'll trade you.
No, just have it.
Okay.
Keep both. Keep all those.
The Armstrong is a new one I got, so I might shred this. I got like.
Yeah. I'm gonna go this way. No, die. No, die. Why are you in here? I don't want you to be in there. I didn't know you were in there, bro. Didn't even know that, bro. Hey, bro, I didn't even know that, bro. I didn't even know that, bro.
I have to get off.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Yes. 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 No. 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 No.
It's weird. They're all broken. So,
No. No. No.
but yeah, guys, we've gotten a lot of. Yo, get out! Die! Die! Now I want to do this series, simple match series. Okay, guys, but it seems that everything's broken, but we have gotten a lot of stuff. So just to make it easier on me, we're just gonna. Let's see, we're gonna just rejoin. But yeah, so we've gotten plushies. Some plushies. Plushies. Okay.
Because of
Play with our
creepers.
toys.
How do you
Y'all like my plushie?
Best is Zach.
I don't know.
Best is Zach.
Y'all like my plushies? Y'all like my plushies? Hey, do you like my plushie? Hey, do you like my plushie? Do y'all like my plushie?
No,
You like my
it's
plushie?
ugly. No,
I
it's
like it.
ugly.
It's Armstrong, right?
It's
No, it's
Armstrong,
ugly.
yeah. Yeah, look, I can show you some more.
Yeah, that's all you
can
say.
It's ugly.
It's ugly because, like, it's a mirror.
Come on, Jeff.
Look, I got bomb.
Yo, did anyone want to go to the Grappler? Hi, Spider-Man. Hi, Spider-Man.
My Spider-Man. Bomb. Bomb. Y'all like my bombs?
Yeah, trade.
You like my
That's
bombs?
what I'm trading.
You like my?
Over
Do
here.
you like my toys? Do you like my toys? Do you like my
Whoa, whoa,
toys?
whoa! For one of them,
like my
I'll
toys?
give you all of this. Did you see that? The galaxy items. I'll give you
Yeah.
all of them just for one of them.
I made these on my own. I made those on. Yo, you have one too? Twins.
Yeah, bro, can I trade? Can I trade? Come on, go to the bio lab.
I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade.
How do you get that? Fleshy, how do you get the fleshy? No, you're in the bio lab. Yo, bro, follow me, follow me, follow me. Nobody steal.
Eden
Private
song.
service? I fall down. Yo, guys.
Giant toy. Guys, look at my giant toy. Look at my giant. Hey, do you want to make these?
I didn't know there's
Do you wanna
Galaxy
make these?
snowboards.
You guys want to go to the biohazard map?
Look what I made in the biohazard. Look what I made in the biohazard.
Can I trade you
Yo,
for Armstrong?
yo, Dragon Guy, you want to
I
go
mean,
to the new map
can
with
I
me?
trade you for ogre?
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
I trade you for the bushy ogre?
Good.
Yo, let me trade for you.
Nah, bro.
Ogre.
Yeah, can I trade the
Guys,
bushy
wait, I want to
ogre?
tell you something.
Can somebody help me
I'm
with
already
this?
ready.
I just need a
Yo, Verity.
Let me trade,
You
bro.
can take whatever you
Yo,
want.
that'll be it for today's video. Hope you
I need
guys
a graphic.
enjoyed. See you next time. Peace.